hope you've had a good look at the image. Did you have a closer look at all of these animals? Really? Yes. Okay, d'accord. Let's look at them. C'est le renard. It's the fox. Le renard est heureux. The fox is happy. What does the fox have in his hand? Let me look at it. It's a picnic basket. C'est un panier de pique. So, in this forest, the fox is carrying a picnic basket. Dans la forêt, le renard porte un panier de pique. And who is this beside the fox? That poor rabbit looks very scared. C'est un lapin. Le lapin a peur. The rabbit is scared. Of course, the rabbit should be scared about the fox. Have you seen these animals in real life? No worries, let's look at them now. C'est le renard en rêve. C'est le lapin en rêve.
Oh, I can hear a bear. Oh, j'entends un loup. Can you hear that? Pouvez-vous entendre cela? Yes, oui. The bear in this video made that sound. C'est l'ours dans cette vidéo qui a fait ce son. The bear in this image is confused. L'ours sur cette image est confus. But the sloth hanging above the bear is joyous. Mais le paresseux suspendu au-dessus de l'ours est joyeux. My daughter is also joyous when she plays with rubber animals. Ma fille est aussi joyeuse quand elle joue avec des animaux en caoutchouc. There is another cheerful or joyous animal in this image. Can you find it for me? Il y a un autre animal joyeux dans cette image. Pouvez-vous le trouver pour moi? Yes, good job. Oui, bon travail. It's the squirrel, c'est l'écureuil. The squirrel is cheerful. L'écureuil is joyous. I love cheerful animals. J'aime les animaux joyeux. Do you like them too? Les aimez-vous aussi? When someone smiles, I'm happy. Quand quelqu'un sourit, je suis heureux. But look at this badger. He's grumpy. Mais regardez ce blaireau. Il est grincheux. I'm sad. Je suis triste. Did you hear that sound? Avez-vous entendu ce son? Yes, oui. I can hear it again. Je peux l'entendre à nouveau. Oops. It's a butterfly. Oops, c'est un papillon. It's a beautiful orange butterfly. C'est un beau papillon orange. The deer sees the butterfly coming towards his nose. The cerf voit le papillon livrer son nez. The deer is pleased. The cerf est content. The cerf voit le papillon livrer son nez. The deer is pleased. The cerf est content. What pleasant scenery! Quel paysage agréable! But the owl is curious. Mais l'hibou est curious. The owl is thinking. L'hibou réfléchit.